Welcome to our comparison of CapCut and Adobe After Effects. Let's begin with features. CapCut is a user-friendly video editing application for mobile devices with basic features like cutting, merging, adding music and effects. It also includes advanced features like keyframe animation and voiceover recording. On the other hand, Adobe After Effects is a professional-grade software for desktop computers with extensive video editing and visual effects capabilities, including 3D, motion tracking, and compositing. It's a powerhouse for creating sophisticated animations and cinematic visual effects. Moving over to pricing. CapCut is a free application, but it does include in-app purchases for some premium features and assets. After Effects, being a professional tool, comes with a subscription cost. It's part of Adobe's Creative Cloud Suite, which costs around $29.99 per month for a single app plan or $52.99 per month for the whole suite. This cost can be a significant barrier for hobbyists or beginners, but it's worth the investment for professionals who need the advanced features. Let's discuss the user experience. CapCut is designed for simplicity and ease of use. It's intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. After Effects, on the other hand, has a steep learning curve due to its extensive features and complex interface. It's not beginner-friendly, but its capabilities are unmatched once you get the hang of it. It's more suitable for professional video editors and graphic designers who need a high level of control and precision. Now, let's talk about integrations. CapCut works standalone and doesn't integrate with other apps. However, After Effects integrates seamlessly with other Adobe applications like Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and Illustrator. This integration allows for a fluid workflow, especially when working on large projects that require multiple tools. It also supports third-party plugins, which expand its capabilities even further. Performance is another crucial factor. CapCut, being a mobile app, works smoothly on most modern smartphones. However, it may struggle with large files or complex edits. After Effects requires a powerful computer to run smoothly, especially when working with high-resolution videos or complex visual effects. It's resource-intensive and performance can be an issue on older or less powerful computers. Let's consider security. Both CapCut and After Effects take user data security seriously. CapCut, being a product of ByteDance, follows strict data security protocols. After Effects, as part of Adobe's suite, adheres to Adobe's robust security standards. However, as a desktop software, After Effects has the edge in terms of local data control. In terms of support, Adobe has a comprehensive support system for After Effects, including tutorials, community forums, and customer support. CapCut, while it does have a help center and email support, lacks the extensive support network that Adobe offers. For beginners or those who might need a lot of guidance, Adobe's support system could be a deciding factor. So, who's the winner? It depends on your needs. For beginners or casual users who need a free and easy to use mobile app for basic edits, CapCut is the winner. But for professionals who need advanced features, seamless integrations, extensive support, and are willing to pay the subscription cost, After Effects takes the crown. It's a more powerful tool with greater capabilities, albeit with a steeper learning curve and higher cost. Thank you for watching our comparison of CapCut and Adobe After Effects. We hope this has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos like this one. Stay tuned.